again. I will have a tour of my village. So we're here. Loading. Loading. Oh, I'm in my view so I'm going to start again. Yeah, I'm going to start up here.
Who's that?
This is my luxurious property, and this is my trampoline. Shoot to kill, nothing, blah blah. My little garden, my little blah blah. Terrace, my teleport, my dog is in the boat. I mean, if she or it was that that's my dog. And I think she got the plan to go away. Not here. Before the tea. This is my submarine. I don't know if this submarine works.
Hello, my friend. I'm here.
This is my Lexport, my dance floor, beach bed, swimming pool, chest, water dispenser, food dispenser, food court, and canopy. My little boat. I call it Lewis.
Hello, what are you doing there?
Fountain, paper tree, my aquarium, water dispenser, food
Who
dispenser.
made that aquarium?
My little house under my
Can't believe it.
big house.
How big is the
My
house?
horse.
Why is it
This
big?
is my tree house.
Hey!
I would show this part to
Hey,
you
there's
later.
a nuclear bomb over there. There's a nuclear bomb. Watch over.
Up of my tree house.
Watch over. There's a nuclear bomb.
That was really starting. Before we started, this was my house at home. My ender chest, bed, enchantment table, cutting table, furnace, bookshelf, and cake. My little garden, this, my berries, there, behind that painting, this is my big painting, my bed, I'll sleep at night. Then I'm going to go here, then go here, and then blah blah blah. This is my rules. That's my rules. I'll let you read that. That was my penalty. Read that. Gold nuggets. You should pay for gold nuggets.
Ay, pangit.
So that is the end of my tour. Goodbye, guys. Please comment down below. Please
Can we hit
subscribe.
100 subscriber and 10,000 likes?